A new chapter begins. The 2024 Democratic National Convention. The convention commenced with a night of powerful speeches and a clear message of unity. The energy was palpable as Democrats gathered to formally nominate their candidates for the upcoming presidential election. This convention marks a pivotal moment for the Democratic Party. It's a time for reflection on the past 4 years and a look ahead to the challenges and opportunities that lie ahead. The first night set the tone for what promises to be a crucial event in the lead-up to November. The stakes could not be higher. Democrats are acutely aware of the importance of this election. The future of American democracy, they argue, hangs in the balance. The first night of the convention served as a rallying cry for Democrats across the country. It was a call to action to mobilize voters and fight for the soul of the nation. Passing the torch, Biden's endorsement of Harris. President Biden took the stage to a thunderous applause, delivering a speech that was both a reflection on his time in office and a resounding endorsement of Kamala Harris. He emphasized the progress made during his presidency, highlighting achievements in areas such as the economy and healthcare. Biden's message was clear: America is on the right track, and he has full confidence in Harris to continue the work they started. Biden's speech was also a stark reminder of the turmoil of the Trump era. He drew a sharp contrast between his administration's approach to governing and that of his predecessor. The choice facing voters, he argued, is clear. Biden's speech was a powerful reminder of the stakes in this election and the importance of Democratic leadership. A call for unity and progress. Hillary Clinton's powerful message. In one of the most anticipated moments of the night, Hillary Clinton took the stage, delivering a message of unity and progress. She reflected on her own historic campaign in 2016, acknowledging the disappointment of that loss while emphasizing the importance of perseverance. Clinton urged Democrats to stay engaged, to fight for their values, and to never give up hope. Clinton's speech was a powerful reminder of the importance of women in leadership. She spoke directly to young women and girls, urging them to stay engaged in the political process and to never let anyone tell them they can't achieve their dreams. Her message was clear: representation matters, and there is still work to be done to ensure that all voices are heard in American democracy. Section 4. Abortion rights take center stage. Personal stories highlight the stakes. The issue of abortion rights took center stage at the convention, with powerful speeches from women directly impacted by restrictive abortion laws. Their stories were raw, emotional, and deeply personal. They painted a stark picture of the real-life consequences of these laws and the devastating impact they have on women and their families. The message from these women was clear: abortion is healthcare, and access to safe and legal abortion is essential for women's equality and bodily autonomy. Their stories served as a powerful reminder of what is at stake in this election and the importance of electing leaders who will fight to protect reproductive rights. Section 5. Project 2025. Democrats sound the alarm on Republican agenda. Democrats also used the first night of the convention to sound the alarm about what they see as the extremist agenda of the Republican Party. They specifically highlighted Project 2025, a policy agenda developed by conservative think tanks, which Democrats argue is a blueprint for a potential second Trump term. They warned that this agenda represents a direct threat to American democracy and the rights of all Americans. Speakers argued that Project 2025 is a radical plan to dismantle the administrative state, roll back civil rights, and consolidate power in the hands of a select few. They urged Americans to pay close attention to the details of this agenda and to understand the very real threat it poses to the future of the country. The message was clear: complacency is not an option in the face of this dangerous agenda. The energy and stakes of the convention were palpable. Speakers and attendees alike were united in their resolve to address the critical issues facing the nation. From healthcare to civil rights, the urgency of the moment was clear. The convention served as a rallying cry, a call to action for all Americans to engage in the democratic process and make their voices heard. The stakes could not be higher, and the energy was unmistakable. This was more than just a political gathering. It was a movement, a testament to the power of collective action and the enduring strength of democracy.